Hello, and welcome back to the English podcast with Lily.
And Alex.
Today, we're doing something really special
You'll hear one simple daily routine story,
at 3 different English levels:
beginner,
intermediate,
and fluent English.
so stay until the end and test your listening skills.
And if you want to improve your English naturally,
Make sure to like and subscribe.
let's begin.
Emma wakes up at 7 o'clock. She is tired.
She turns off her alarm.
Then she sits in bed for a few minutes.
Emma checks her phone.
She has 3 new messages.
One message is from her friend.
Good morning.
Emma smiles.
She gets out of bed and walks to the kitchen.
She makes coffee.
The coffee smells really good.
Emma drinks her coffee slowly.
Then she looks outside the window.
It is raining.
Emma sighs.
She doesn't like rainy mornings.
After breakfast, Emma gets dressed.
She puts on her jacket.
She grabs her bag.
Then she leaves the apartment.
Let's practice together.
Listen, then repeat.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm really tired today.
I'm really tired today.
The coffee smells good.
The coffee smells good.
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside.
I'm heading to work.
I'm heading to work.
Okay, now let's hear the same story more naturally.
Emma wakes up at 7 after hitting snooze twice.
She's still tired because she stayed up late watching videos.
She grabs her phone and checks her messages before getting out of bed.
Her friend texted, "Don't forget the meeting today."
Emma almost forgot completely.
She walks into the kitchen and starts making coffee.
The smell instantly wakes her up a little.
While drinking coffee, she watches the rain outside her window.
The streets look cold and quiet.
Emma really wants to stay home today.
But work is work.
She quickly gets dressed, packs her things, and puts on her headphones.
Before leaving, she takes one last sip of coffee.
Then she heads out into the rainy morning.
Ready for more natural English? Listen carefully and repeat naturally.
I stayed up late last night.
I stayed up late last night.
I almost forgot about the meeting.
I almost forgot about the meeting.
The rain makes me sleepy.
The rain makes me sleepy.
I really don't want to go outside.
I really don't want to go outside.
Let me grab my headphones.
Let me grab my headphones.
Okay, now let's hear the fluent version.
Emma wakes up after snoozing her alarm for the 3rd time and immediately checks her phone.
She sees a bunch of messages and suddenly remembers the meeting she totally forgot about.
Half asleep, she drags herself into the kitchen and starts making coffee.
Honestly, the smell of coffee is the only thing keeping her alive this morning.
Outside, it's pouring rain, and the whole city looks gray and exhausted.
Emma seriously considers calling in sick.
But she knows she probably shouldn't.
So she throws on a hoodie, grabs her bag, and rushes out the door with coffee in one hand and her phone in the other.
While walking to work, she listens to a podcast to wake herself up.
And little by little, she starts feeling ready for the day.
Ready for fast, real English?
Don't worry if it feels difficult at first.
I totally forgot about it.
I totally forgot about it.
I'm running kinda late.
I'm running kinda late.
Let me grab my coffee first.
Let me grab my coffee first.
I don't really feel like going out today.
I don't really feel like going out today.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.
Did you notice something? The story changed.
But the meaning stayed the same.
That's how fluency works.
You don't memorize thousands of perfect grammar rules
You hear patterns again and again.
until English starts feeling familiar.
First slowly,
Then naturally,
then fluently.
One day, you stop translating every sentence and start understanding automatically.
that's the moment English becomes real.
If you enjoyed this story,
Make sure to like the video and subscribe.
and tell us in the comments.
Which level was hardest for you?
Beginner?
Intermediate?
Fluent?
See you in the next story.